I came back from London 2 days ago. There was a meeting, you know, probably, maybe you saw that new volume of Pauline, number 24, just came out, edited by Scott Uri, Israel Bartal, and Anthony Polonsky, and we celebrated it in London. And they brought from, believe it or not, from Eastern Galicia, from Drohobitz, a klezmer, a Jewish klezmer, more or less the age of my father, I think 91 or 92, Emil Schreier, and that gentleman spoke exactly the dialect of my parents, so I had a whole evening talking to him in Yiddish. Problem is that we didn't have much to talk about. Again, you know, because can you imagine someone who survived in Drohobitz, the whole thing, like Aunt Friede, the same, you know, his first family was totally, you know, annihilated, so to speak. He had another family. Now he's more than 90. His wife died. His kids are living in Germany. He would never go to Germany. He would never go anywhere. I asked him, why don't you go to Israel? He said, what should I do in Israel? What language will I speak? I don't speak Hebrew. I told him, speak Yiddish. He said, who understands Yiddish today in Israel? I said, I.